Good morning. Good morning, everyone. First, I would like to thank you to TIPO, Taiwan Intellectual Property Office, and for the TWPAA, Taiwan Patent Attorney Association, APAA, Taiwan, Asian Patent Attorney Taiwan Group, maybe for the delegates from SM members and from the India, and all the participants. Thank you for the invitation to sharing the patent system in Indonesia and patent regulation in Indonesia. Okay, this is the briefly of our office, Patent Indonesia. The Director General of Intellectual Property Office of Indonesia is under the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. We have some key points of our duties. The first is to handle registration and protection of patents, trademark, industrial design, copyright, layout design, and trade secrets. And also manage the application, examination, and granting process for the intellectual property rights. And the second, we are formulating policies, regulation, and rules related to intellectual property right in Indonesia. And the third, facilitating resolution dispute related to intellectual property right through mediation and arbitration. And the fourth, conducting educational program, workshop, seminars to raise awareness about the importance of intellectual property right in Indonesia. The GIP has one secretariat and 6 directorate. Directorate of Copyright and Industrial Design, Directorate of Patent, Layout Design, and Integrated Circuit and Trade Secret, and Directorate Trademark and Geographical Indication, Directorate Cooperation Education, IP Academy, 5 Directorate for Information Technology, and the last Directorate Investigation and Dispute Settlement. And in this slide shows that the detail of Directorate Patent layout of IC and trade secret. We have 9 task force, 1 application administration task force, 2nd certification publication task force, patent search and information task force, quality assurance task force. This is the new one, the quality assurance. 5 examination technical services task force. 6 certification and maintenance task force. 7 patent appeal commission facilitation task force. 8 legal consideration litigation task force, and the last 9 patent legislation task force. Totally we have 962 employees. Sorry. Now GIP or organization has 112 examiners. Only 110 examiners for maybe for this years, and the next years we recruit more than 100 examiners. So we dealing with the backlogs application. Now we divided the examiner based on the level examiners. The first associate patent examiners, junior patent examiners, senior patent examiner, and principal examiners. And based on the technical background, we have the mechanical and general technology, 27 examiners, physical electronic, 25 examiners, chemistry, 31 examiners, pharma, 16 examiners, and technology, 8 examiners. And this is our current regulation, patent regulation. The first is National Law number 32,000 on the patent, National Law number 6/2023 on stipulation of government regulation in view of Law number 2/2022 on job creation. Number 2, National Law number 31/2000 concerning industrial design. The first one is about the trade secret. Number 3, National Law 32/2000 concerning layout design of integrated circuit. Number 4, National Law number 28/2014 concerning copyrights. And National Law number 13/2016 concerning patent, and National Law number 20/2016 concerning trademark. Now we have a revision for the patent law and industrial design law. And this is the current patent regulation. Number 1 is the already mentioned law number 13/2016 on patent. Number 2, National Law number 6/2023 on stipulation government regulation in lieu of Law number 2/2022 on job creation. Number 3, regulation of Ministry of Law and Human Rights of Republic of Indonesia number 13/2021 concerning amendment to regulation Ministry of Law and Human Rights of Republic of Indonesia number 38/2018 concerning patent application. Number 4, government regulation of Republic of Indonesia number 28/2019 concerning type and rates applicable to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. And the last is technical guideline for patent examination in 2019. And this is our patent. We have 2 types of the patents. First one is patent, and the second one is simple patent, or we call the utility models. This is the differences between them. The objection is the same for product, process, method, and uses. Term of protection for the patent is 20 years, for simple patent and 10 years. I think this is, we are same regulation about the term of protection. And the publication starting from 18 months after the filing date of primary date. For the simple patent starting from 14 days after the filing date. Substantive examination period, maximum 30 months for patents from the publication or having submitted the substantive request. And for simple patent, maximum 8 months for the filing date. Patentability requirement for the patent, novelty, inventive step, industrial applicability, and the simple patent for novelty and industrial applicability. Number of independent claims for the patent or more than 1 claim is allowed, but for simple patent, it's only 1 independent claim is allowed.